The LRF extension identifies a Sony portable reader file containing eBook content formatted for Sony Reader digital book devices. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open, convert, or manage these Sony eBook files. Here's a tip from my professional experience. For those truly difficult LRF files, you need a plan B, a secret weapon. I'll expand more on this after we try the other solutions. LRF files are eBook files for Sony Reader devices containing formatted text images and page layout data in Sony's broadband, eBook BBeB format. They were the primary eBook format for Sony's PRS-series electronic readers before the adoption of EPUB format. Sony LRF files use the BBeB Broadband eBook format with a binary structure containing text streams, image objects, page template definitions, and metadata. They support flowing text fixed layout, Japanese vertical text, and embedded fonts for consistent page rendering. The source application for LRF is frequently listed as Calibre from COVID Goyle. The file requires external codec support that Windows does not provide natively. Windows offers restricted insight into these files, so proper access depends on specialized readers. Your most vital first action is the file association test. Right-click the LRF file and choose Open With. If Calibre is on your machine, test it. If not, choose another program. We must find the correct software. If the LRF file won't open, don't panic. Now it boils down to just 3 possibilities. We've prepared a simple list detailing these common culprits and the steps to verify them. First, opening the file. Install Calibre, the free ebook management application from calibreebook.com. Open the LRF file in Calibre's viewer for on-screen reading. Calibre provides full LRF format support, with text reflow font adjustment and bookmarking capabilities. Next, converting to EPUB. Use Calibre to convert LRF files to EPUB, the modern universal ebook format. Open Calibre and add the LRF file, then click Convert Books and select EPUB as the output format. The converted EPUB works on all modern e-readers and reading applications. Finally, managing Sony eBook library. Import your LRF collection into Calibre for centralized library management. Convert entire collections to EPUB for compatibility with current devices. Organize by author, title, and series using Calibre's metadata editing tools. Back up your converted library for long-term preservation. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.